Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to graph compound inequalities on number lines. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. If your inequality has or equal to sign, then you know you're going to use a filled circle because the number will be included. However, if it's an open circle, the number is not included. Let's look at the following examples. In the first example, we have x is greater or equal to minus 3 and x is less or equal to 1. Note that anytime we use the word and, what it means is that both inequality must be true. That is, they are going to overlap. If we're going to graph this, we start with our left-hand side. The left-hand side says x is greater or equal to minus 3. So starting on minus 3, because of the or equal to, we are going to have a filled circle. On the other side, we have x, and because x is greater than minus 3, it's going in the positive x direction, that's towards our right. But we're not going to draw it all the way because we have to fulfill the second condition to make both inequalities true. The second condition says x is less or equal to 1. So if we draw a filled circle because of the or equal to on 1, then the condition is going to be filled, x is less, moving our line towards the left. So what this means is it looks like a closed segment on the number line. The two conditions are both true. If you look at the second example, we have minus 1 less than x less than 3. That is another way of writing the double inequality with and. In this case also, we're going to have to fulfill both conditions. The first condition says minus 1 is less than x. So if we start at minus 1, and because there's no equality sign added, then we're going to be using an open circle. The second condition says x is less than 3. So starting from 3, we have values less than 3. The first condition, we have values greater than minus 1. So that's looking like another line segment because we have to make sure that both conditions are true. But looking at the third example, in this case, we are using the word or. So what that means is the value of x will fulfill the two conditions separately. The two graphs does not overlap. They are either true. So if I have x less or equal to minus 2, if I start at minus 2, because of the or equal sign, I'm going to have a filled circle and x is less than, so it's going towards my left. So I have values of x less or equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is included because of the equality. However, on my right hand side, I have x is greater than 2. So starting from 2, I have an open circle because 2 is not included, and I have values of x greater than 2. That's moving in the right direction. So you can notice, or you see, that the graph does not overlap because of the or sign or the or condition that makes each of the inequality true on their own, not both at the same time. For the last example, we have x less than 4. So like we did earlier, remember, both conditions are not going to be true, so you have each one true separately. So starting with 4, I have the values of x less than 4, so I'm moving in the left direction as shown. I'm using an open circle because we don't have the or equal to condition to fulfill. Also making the right side true, we have x is greater or equal to 6. So starting from 6, we're going to have a filled circle because we have or equal to, which means 6 will be included, and then greater than 6, we are moving towards the right. So you can see both conditions cannot be true at the same time. Either conditions will be true. Thanks for watching. Bye.